Gardening Connections with Cyndi here. It's a beautiful, just kind of a crisp morning, and I thought I'd just come out and give a little tour of the floating row cloth. It's uncovered right now, but on the thumbnail I put the covered version, and it's really kind of a hungala. It's a jungle out there. We call this lovingly our salad bar for obvious reasons. You see there's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 butter crunch lettuce. And then we have some beautiful arugula here. And red Russian kale that is thriving and doing lovely. And then we have some gourmet lettuce. More butter crunch. I kind of like to do things in rows. And at the end here I have more arugula, and this is romaine lettuce. And then, of course, La Quinata kale. Gotta love it. It's great for smoothies. Love to make kale chips. And then more gourmet lettuce. La Quinata kale. Sometimes they call it Tuscan kale. And butter crunch is just going crazy. This is very tender and delicious. So I just alternate rows of lettuce. I think I have 5 different types of lettuce here. Now, I've got some broccoli. Look at that. Beautiful head. Got another one here. So, the beat goes on. All that yellow back there is another type of a lettuce, kind of like an arugula, that went to flower, so I need to clip that back. It's going kind of crazy, but it's a beautiful salad bar. It's been sustaining us. We have a lot of salads, and it's time to start inviting friends over to join us and enjoy this amazing delicacy. There is nothing like homegrown lettuce. It does not compare with store-bought lettuce in the least bit. So just a quick little overview. The tomatoes and basil and marigolds will go in once we get over 50 degrees consistently. And then we have the squash rows. And then we have the trellis with the sugar peas, and there'll be nasturtium and pole beans and cucumbers towards at the back there. And just want to thank you for checking in with Gardening Connections with Cyndi.